Children, today we will understand types of carbon and hydrogen. In organic chemistry, you see sometime 0 degree carbon, 2 degree, 3 degree, 1 degree, and same for hydrogen. So what are they? Let us understand today. You will see that 0 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, 4 degree carbon. Okay, carbon. Okay, and this also known as 0 degree carbon, no name, but for 1 degree carbon it is primary carbon. Okay, second 2 degree carbon it is secondary carbon. Okay, 3 degree carbon it is tertiary carbon. 4 degree carbon it is quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon. Okay, so these names are given. Okay, then how to identify these carbons? So let us understand. If carbon atom is attached only with hydrogen atom or with no other carbon atom, only with hydrogen atom or with other atom except carbon, then this type of carbon is called 1 degree carbon, 0 degree carbon, and okay, and all hydrogen attached to this carbon atom will be 0 degree hydrogen. Okay, so this is 0 degree carbon. Okay, another case, if carbon atom is attached with another one carbon atom, then this one carbon atom will be called what? Primary carbon atom. Okay, so this one is primary carbon atom, 1 degree carbon atom. Okay, these both are primary carbon atom, and hydrogen are attached to these carbon atoms are called 1 degree hydrogen or primary hydrogen. So this is primary carbon atom, both are primary carbon. If we talk about tertiary, if carbon atom it attached secondary to other two carbon atom, so that one carbon atom is called secondary carbon atom. Like in this case, if I talk, this one carbon atom is attached with two other carbon atom, so this one carbon atom will be 2 degree carbon atom. If I talk about this one carbon atom, this is attached with other 3 carbon atom, then this will be called 3 degree carbon atom. Okay, so you know that carbon form 4 valencies, so I am writing 3 hydrogen with it. How many hydrogen we can attach? 2 hydrogen, so I have written in this way. How many hydrogen you can attach here? 1. How many hydrogen? 3. How many hydrogen? 3. Okay, so this one is 1 degree carbon, this one is also 1 degree carbon, because this carbon atom is attached only one other carbon atom, and if I talk about this one, then this one is also a 1 degree, but this carbon is attached to other 3 carbon atom, and this one is attached to other 2 carbon atom, and hydrogen attached to this one carbon atom are 1 degree hydrogens, and hydrogen attached to this carbon atom is 3 degree hydrogen. So in this compound, 1 3 degree hydrogen atom, 2 degree hydrogen atom, and 9 1 degree hydrogen atoms are present. If we talk about quaternary carbon atom, then quaternary carbon atom will be surrounded by other 4 carbon atom. Okay, so this one carbon atom is 4 degree carbon atom, and this is also called 4 degree carbon atom, but this carbon atom cannot have any hydrogen, so 4 degree hydrogen is never present. Okay, so this and all other hydrogen are 1 degree. This one carbon atom is 1 degree because it is attached to one other carbon atom. This one carbon atom is 1 degree because it is attached with one other carbon atom. These all other 4 carbon atoms are 1 degree, but these hydrogen atoms are also 1 degree. There is no 4 degree hydrogen atom because carbon can form only 4 bond. Okay, hope so you will have understood this one. Thank you बच्चों.